Aerospace products are getting a lot more complex, with a lot more software on them. And that leaves you scrambling to figure out how to get more test coverage with the same budget and schedule. You're building the world's most advanced aerospace products, but no one is paying you more to test them. So companies that find a way to spend less money getting test equipment earlier in their programs actually end up having a competitive advantage. We've worked with customers for many years building lots of types of test equipment. And what we've realized is that it's not about the test hardware itself. It's about controlling the project. It's a bit of a misconception that you even need a test system. What you really need is test coverage at the boundary of your product. And that typically involves connecting the electrical spec required at the pin of the unit under test back to a qualified software environment where you can capture a result. Really, it's all the things that you have to do in between the product and the test results, like routing, signal conditioning, and fault insertion, that are going to constitute the time and money necessary to build that test equipment. Now, in an ideal world, what you'd love to be able to do is get 60% of the test system working almost immediately using known stable requirements. And then as the more innovative requirements become mature, completing those portions of the test system, then validating it, fixing bugs, and integrating with the product. Now in reality, this is a complex test system where the test system requirements are deeply dependent on the product requirements. When those aren't available, it becomes very risky to start your test system early in the project. So waterfall process necessitates you wait. And then when you finally do get started and the requirements change, you face costly rework. Things go on and later in the project, you're scrambling to get more of the system complete. Not to mention that work that you do in the end of the project is always much more expensive than you do in the front of the project. NI's modular architecture breaks that dependency. Your test system is now drastically simplified and can be synthesized automatically from product requirements, saving you time, money, and helping you move forward faster. Test coverage requirements are only going up. Get ahead of the game in testing the world's most advanced aerospace products with the world's most advanced aerospace test systems.